child. My heart is with our children that's been called Tekoppe. It is not so. Those children belong to us. And God is worried about them. And even the general and captain, if you're in your position, and Madeleine and Dr. Rieta and Marijuana, God has still a calling for you. That is why you're here today, to say, I hear the cry in the community. I hear what is going on. And God wanted to unite the churches today. And this church, the AFM church, has opened their doors already a month ago. And to be stand and come forward, we already started with the first phase of that training, General. And every woman that's here today to go back to a church and say, you know what, that is why you're so few. There's about 350 churches in George. You know what? We have to open our doors for single women, for our churches. Pastor Allen, most of the time when I'm driving from Pakosdorp back to town, I saw the boys next to a wall sitting in their uniforms. School closed already 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but they still sit there. Because very close to them,